Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to install K6 in Windows machine, and also we will run one simple test. For that, guys, just click on Grafana K6 load testing for engineering teams. Click on open source. Click on documentation. So click on setup install K6. So in the previous video, we would have seen how we can install with macOS. For Windows, either you can use Chocolatey Package Manager or you can use this one, or alternatively, you can download the installer from the latest official installer. Click on this. It will download the file, which is a K6 latest amd.msi file. So click on it. So it will say preparing to install. Click on next. Click on I accept terms in the license agreement. Next, next, install. It is installing now K6 in my Windows machine. Parallelly, you can also see if you just type command prompt K6 here, it will say it is not recognized. Okay. Now we'll make sure after installing we can run one K6 script. So now K6 has been installed. Click on finish. Okay. Open the command prompt. Click on it and just type K6. Click on here. So now see K6 is recognized. Okay. So let us see one simple program. So if you go to get started here, so there is one JavaScript program. Let me copy this. So here I'm adding one file, text document. I'm pasting the program. I'll just say save as script.js, and I have to make sure it is all files selected. Click on save. Open CMD from here. Okay. Now just type K6 run script.js. Click on enter. So as you can see, the script is now running. So this is running the first simple test, performance test using K6. So we have got the result, data sent, data received, how many HTTP requests blocked, connected, failed, receiving, entire things we have got through running the JavaScript code using K6. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.